Boker Tov Limud.
Boker or Rabbi Sapphire.
Hey guys, hope you had a good week. Maybe for some of you, it was a little bit lighter of a spring break week. If you had classes, I hope you learned something new. Maybe you got to see somebody new online or get outside. I hope it was a good week. So we are back for another spring break edition of Limud Assembly. You're getting used to having us around by now, aren't you? So let's kick this off and do a little singing. I don't know about you, but I have been out in my neighborhood a lot, and I have seen a lot more of my neighbors than I usually do. And when we think of the saying, love your neighbor as yourself, we can think about it really literally these days. So maybe instead of just being out on the street riding bikes and seeing your neighbors, maybe you could think about if there's anything that your neighbors might need this week. Maybe it's a grocery delivery, or maybe it's a card that you can drop in their mailbox. See if you can check in. But let's make sure we love our neighbors as ourselves this week. our word of the day is really important for this upcoming week. It's hard to say though, so listen closely. Well, this first word you may know. This first word, repeat after me, is yom. Yom means day. So what day is coming up this week? That's so important. Yom ha'atzmaut. Ha'atzmaut. Can you try that? Ha'atzmaut. So if you put that together, Yom ha'atzmaut, we learn about Israel's Independence Day, otherwise known as Israel's birthday. So let's learn a little bit more about that in our
Question! Trivia! Questions!
So, our trivia question is, if it is Israel's birthday, how old is the state of Israel? Is it A, 72 years old? Is it B, 120 years old? Or is it C, thousands of years old? Now think about the question, the state of Israel. Okay, what do you think? 72, 120, thousands? Let's get a drum roll and reveal the answer. The answer is Israel is a young 72. Now, you might think 72 is old. If you have somebody in your life who's 72, I will tell you, first of all, that is not old. But Israel is not really an old nation or an old country. It was only formed as a state in 1948. And that was only 72 years ago. But it really is a miracle that we have this young state of Israel to celebrate and take care of and love. So that's what we're going to do this week on Yom HaAtzmaut, which starts on Tuesday night and goes into Wednesday. If you have any friends or family who live in Israel, you will hear all about their celebrations. So we are going to sing, which is, I'm sure this is definitely a song they'll be singing in Israel this week, Am Yisrael Chai, for the people of Israel live strong. So let's sing together.
Am Yisrael Chai, Am Yisrael Chai, Am Yisrael Chai, Am Yisrael Chai, oh, Davinu Chai, oh, Davinu Chai, oh, Davinu Chai, oh, Davinu Chai. Try clapping along with us. Am Yisrael Chai, Am Yisrael Chai, Am Yisrael Chai, Am Yisrael Chai, oh, Davinu Chai, oh, Davinu Chai, oh, Davinu Chai, oh, Davinu Chai.
Those were some good hand motions there. You could tell we were all hearing it a little bit at a different time, but that was fun. Thank you guys so much. So let's move along to our announcements. as always, we have so much going on. We hope you are reading the Temple e-blasts and logging on to Zoom to join our community. As I mentioned, the biggest thing we have coming up this week is the celebration of Israel Independence Day. There will be several things to do, starting with our Limud learning and logging on maybe to connect with our friends and brothers and sisters in Israel at our sister congregation in Haifa. So hopefully you will join us to celebrate Israel in some way this week. And if you're able, maybe even to order some falafel and eat some falafel or make some falafel at home. That would be fun too. So have a great week, everyone. Happy birthday, Israel. It was good to see you.
Havana Shira, Shir Hallelujah, Shir Hallelujah. Havana Shira, Shir Hallelujah, Shir Hallelujah. Havana Shira, Shir Hallelujah, Shir Hallelujah. Havana Shira, Shir Hallelujah, Shir Hallelujah.